Alright guys, so we have a Frigidaire top bottom or top mount. So what we're doing here, the unit has no lights. So we're using our non-contact tester. And as you can see, I'm pressing the door switch. And you see the red and then the blue. So that tells you that the unit has power. We just need a bulb. The customer had 3 bulbs, changed them all, and still did not work. So the outlet where the bulb goes into, you will see shortly. Use a pick and slightly pull up to make contact, and also on the ground or the neutral, both of them. Don't go too crazy, just a little bit. And what that does, when the bulb is screwed all the way down, it's going to give you a good contact. Otherwise, sometimes it will not work. Take a look. All right, and that's it. All is good. Thanks for watching. Guys, make sure you unplug before you do that. Thank you.